Ma'am, marriage is the part of the life, and the original life of the person starts after the marriage. या क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं? मान लेते हैं आप शादीशुदा हो, सपोज, ठीक है, और आपके पास एक दो बच्चे भी हैं. Today I'm here with my Sam student and with my Akib, and they will speak something. They will have the conversation with the purpose of their learning and of course your learning. And I would just say you, if you are watching the first time, don't forget to subscribe. You must subscribe it, and if possible, give some comment, whatever and however you feel after watching the videos. Accordingly, you give the comment. Okay, and if possible, share with the friends. They can also improve their English. This video is going to help you all out. Now, I would like to start the videos with Mr. Sam and Mr. Akib. So, Sam, you play a role of like a teacher. You play a role of a teacher. At present, you are teaching already somewhere. You are going to play a role of a teacher. You are at present already teaching somewhere, and you are one of the friend who is teaching in the school. He told you that there is a vacancy for a science teacher, and you are interested to join in the school as the school is good number one in Darbhanga. And Shakib, of course, you are going to play a role of a principal, and you need a science teacher. For the same, you discussed with the teachers of your schools, and he is telling someone for the interview and all that. And today, you are going to take an interview of Mr. Sam actually. So Sam, no problem. I just request you speak with the sound that the mic can catch your sound. While fine, do full normal like it's the original time. You feel like you are sitting in the, you feel like you are sitting in the cabin, and he comes there on the gate and then open, and accordingly he asks the permission, may I come in, sir, and all. Well, can we start? And the audience who are watching, once again I remind you, if you are watching the first time, you must subscribe so that you will get the notification if I upload any videos. It will help you a lot to learn. Well, Sam, action.
May I come, sir?
Yes, come. Wait, your sound is not very clear.
May I come, sir?
May I?
May I come, sir?
May I come in?
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, great. May I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, of course. Come
Speak
in.
loudly.
Yes, of course. Come in.
Come in.
Come in.
Yes,
Yes, you can come.
you can
Come.
come.
Sir, I have one friend.
Wait. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
इनको बैठा दिया मैंने.
Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
अब जी मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर? Very good. Repeat.
How may I help you?
Speak with the sound.
How may I help you?
Very good.
I have one friend. He is a science teacher.
Okay, speak loudly.
I have one friend. He is a science teacher.
I have a friend, or I have one friend. वह आपके स्कूल में टीचर है.
Um,
I have
I have a friend. He is a teacher in your school.
उसने मुझे बोला है आपको एक साइंस के टीचर की जरूरत है.
He said me, you need to one science
He
teacher.
do not. He told me
He told me
you need a science teacher.
you need a science teacher.
Let the sound be clear and to the point. So he told me
He told me
you need a
you
science
need
teacher.
a science teacher.
Yes.
Science teacher.
You are talking science. Science.
Science.
He told me you need a science teacher.
Yes, of course. I need a science teacher. Who has told you?
क्या नाम है आपके दोस्त का?
What is the name of your friend?
So my name is yeah. Sorry.
Wait, no problem.
My
Repeat.
friend
Repeat.
name-
Wait.
What is the name?
Take time. I don't want to jump both at one time. When he completes and stop, then you answer. And when he stops, then you answer. Fine. Now ask.
What is the name of your friend?
What is the name of your friend?
My friend name is Diamond.
हाँ, डायमंड के हमारे यहाँ टीचर है, वो इंग्लिश के टीचर है.
Diamond is a teacher.
Sound should be clear.
Diamond is a teacher in my school. He is a teacher of English.
English. Yes.
Yes, sir.
वो मेरा दोस्त है,
He is my friend,
and उसने ही मुझे बोला है.
and he told me.
He has.
He has told me.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay, no problem.
तो आप अपने बारे में मुझे कुछ बताइए.
Tell me something about yourself.
Very good. Repeat.
Tell me something about yourself.
Tell me something about
Yourself.
yourself.
My name is Sam Khan. and I am a teacher of science. And
मैंने बीएड किया है। हाँ, बिंदास बोलो ना। मैंने बीएड किया है
I have done B.Ed.
एंड
And,
पिछले 3 साल से मैं ऑलरेडी पढ़ा रहा हूँ।
Before I have taught.
नहीं, not like that, don't like that। मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ 3 सालों से, ये टेंस हो गया।
I was
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस है। मैं पिछले 3 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ।
Sir, I am a teacher, and
For last 3 years,
for last 3 years I've been
I have been
been teaching.
for the last 3
For,
years,
for the last 3 years I
I have been
teaching.
Oh,
Okay.
great।
Great.
मुझे भी एक्सपीरियंस वाला बंदा चाहिए।
I need an experience.
I also
I also
need
need
a person
a person
having
who has experience of
repeat।
teaching. I need a teacher who has experience of teaching.
एंड आपको 3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है।
And you have experience of 3 years.
यस
Yes, sir.
आपने बीएड कहाँ से किया है?
From where have you done your B.Ed?
रिलैक्स, यू आर गोइंग वेरी फास्ट।
From where have you done your B.Ed?
वेरी गुड। फ्रॉम वेयर हैव यू डन योर
B.Ed.
बीएड? सर, मैंने जाकिर हुसैन से किया है। देयर इज अ कॉलेज हियर, जाकिर हुसैन फॉर बीएड। देयर आर मेनी कॉलेजेस, बट वन नेम यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट। सर, मैंने जाकिर हुसैन से किया है।
Sir, I have done B.Ed for from Zakir Hussain.
रिपीट अगेन।
Sir, I have done B.Ed from Zakir Hussain University.
कौन सा साल? यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है, आप सिर्फ बोलिए आई हैव डन फ्रॉम जाकिर हुसैन कॉलेज। रिपीट।
I have done from Zakir Hussain College.
एंड कौन से साल में आपने पास किया?
And in which year have you passed your B.Ed?
सुपर। रिपीट।
In which year have you passed your B.Ed?
I have passed
In 2000?
in 2029.
Yeah.
Yes, 2020. 2020.
20. I have repeat the sentence.
I have done
Then-
B.Ed in 2020.
Okay. And आप अभी कहाँ पढ़ा रहे हैं?
And where are you teaching now?
Now. सर, अभी तो मैं अपने एक स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हैं, आप दूसरे स्कूल में ज्वाइन करेंगे। एक को छोड़ के ज्वाइन करेंगे, सॉलिड रीजन में वो देने लगे कि आने वाले समय में आप इनको भी छोड़ के कहीं जाने वाले हैं। Am I right? So you could check the mentality of the person in the interview. That is he the person kind of like he lives always? Am I right? So you said अभी मैं दरभंगा में नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, मेरे गांव में एक स्कूल है, वहाँ के स्कूल में मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ कि दरभंगा में आऊँ और यहाँ के स्कूल में पढ़ाऊँ, यहाँ के बच्चों। Yes.
Now I don't teach in Darbhanga.
Repeat.
Now I don't teach at Darbhanga.
No, no. Now I don't teach in Darbhanga.
Now I don't teach in Darbhanga.
एक स्कूल है मेरे गांव में।
One school in my
Not
village.
like that. Subject should be there. There is a school
There
in
is-
my village.
There is a school in my village.
वहाँ मैं पढ़ाता हूँ।
There is this.
I teach
I teach
there.
there.
Yeah, repeat.
I teach there.
मेरे गांव में एक स्कूल है, वहाँ मैं पढ़ाता हूँ। मुझे पूरा वो सुनना है, फिर बोलना है।
In my village,
There is a
there is
school
one school,
and
and I teach there.
there I teach
There.
there. लेकिन
But
मैं चाहता हूँ दरभंगा में किसी अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ाऊँ।
I want
To teach.
I want to teach in Darbhanga
In any good school.
Any good school.
Okay, fine.
Fine.
तो
Then,
आप हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ाना चाहते हैं।
then you want to join my school?
Yes, sir.
दरभंगा में बहुत सारे स्कूल हैं, लेकिन आप मेरा स्कूल ज्वाइन क्यों करना चाहते
There
हैं?
are many schools in Darbhanga. Why do you want to join only my school?
Very good. Repeat the sentence again.
There are many schools in
Let the
Darbhanga.
sound to be clear.
There are many
There
students.
are-
There are many
there are-
many students in Darbhanga. Why do you want to join my school only?
Very good. There are many schools in Darbhanga, but why do you want to join my school?
Sir, I had said you in your school, Diamond is teaching in your.
And it's my friend.
Yeah, and he is my friend.
And plus मैंने सुना है सर आपका स्कूल बहुत अच्छा स्कूल है।
And I listen.
मैंने सुना है।
I have listened.
I have heard
I have heard
आपका स्कूल बहुत अच्छा स्कूल
your school is very good school.
इसलिए
That's why
मैंने सोचा
I thinking.
I thought
I
अगर मुझे पढ़ाना है तो क्यों नहीं अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ाए।
yeah, if I will teach,
If I have to teach,
if I have to teach,
then why not?
then why not?
I teach in a good school.
I teach in a good school.
If I have to teach, why not to teach in a good school? इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं आपके स्कूल में ज्वाइन करूं.
That's why I decided.
I have decided.
I have decided to teach in your school.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, that's fine.
आप अपने मैरिटल स्टेटस के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहिए. You know मैरिटल स्टेटस, शादीशुदा होते हैं. आप शादीशुदा हैं. When I said the word marital status, my student Ruby, who is sitting there, laughing actually. Ma'am, marriage is the part of the life, and the original life of the person starts after the marriage actually.
Yeah.
Right, and in that way, I am fortunate. I am already married, having only one wife, but I have 4 children. Next, maybe next.
Why you are always say I have only one wife?
I have only one wife. I give the guarantee to all. I don't have next one. I may get in the future that I'll talk. I have 2 wives, but now I have only one wife.
Never you will get two wives.
No, it's not like that. If I want, I can get it. And I can get if I want. It's not like that. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Easily it's there. Anyway. So that's for हाँ क्या आप अपनी मैरिटल स्टेटस का मतलब होता है शादीशुदा जिंदगी. क्या आप मुझे अपनी शादीशुदा जिंदगी के बारे में बताएंगे या क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं?
Are you married?
Are you married?
Are you married?
No, sir.
Right, repeat. मान लेते हैं आप शादीशुदा हो. Suppose. ठीक है, और आपके पास 1-2 बच्चे भी हैं. जॉब प्रोफाइल में मैरिड होना बॉयज के लिए पॉजिटिव. When you go for an interview, don't talk fake actually. But in case you are married and you are going for an interview, they take your profile positive. You know why? Those who are not in job, those who are not married, having no wife, no children, they may not take the responsibility actually. If you are married, it means you are responsible. You have to earn money for your family. If you have the children, for your children. So if you are in the job, and maybe with some reasons your boss has called you and be angry with you. So having the responsibility on the shoulder, you cannot take the decision to leave the job and go. But if you are unmarried, bachelor, the responsibility is not there. You are earning or you are not earning, there is no tension at all. In such case, if a boss is angry, he has calls. In such case, the employee takes the decision to leave. So as I have worked, I know about, we had been told marital, like a person married, it's known positive. But for the female, newly married, it's a negative profile. Because they may have child, they will ask the long leave. So for the females, marital status, if that female is married, so that will be negative for the interview and there will be rejection. Because a married female can have a child. And in such case, she can ask to leave, and there is a rule. Either it's a government job or private job, there is a rule, and the rule is a lady who is going to have a delivery of a lady who is going to deliver a baby and a child actually. She can take leave 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, and paid leave. The leave will be paid. She will be at the home enjoying, and salary will be given to her. So in that case, private job persons they don't hire actually. But in government job, it's okay. I'm okay. So ask क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं?
Are you married?
Yes, sir.
आप टी लगाते हो मैरिड. MARRY है, Y को I में बदल के D लगाते हैं. Married the.
Are you married?
Repeat again.
Are you married?
Are you married?
Are you married?
Yes, sir. I have a wife.
आप सिखाएंगे हाँ तो मैं शादीशुदा हूँ. Yes sir.
Yes, sir. I am married. I am.
Everyone is excited. I was also excited for my marriage.
I am not said married.
You are not excited. You are a girl.
I am not said
You are
married.
excited, but you are not telling out actually.
Now I'm
You hide it. Girls are also excited. Girls are also excited.
No one.
Here I have seen the girls are also excited for the marriage. I have seen they are waiting the date. Oh my God, different days are left. And in the marriage date, they get ready by themselves. They have planning to get different videos. Put on the Googles and all.
When they know I have to go, otherwise why?
Yeah, my God. Do you want to go? Your sound will not be recorded. Little bit sound will come. So better don't disturb. Fine. Don't speak anything.
Yes,
Audience, audience on the YouTube, I'm talking to you. They are my students sitting actually. They are cooking from there. If you poke now, I'll put the salad on the mountain. Bye. Sorry.
Yes, sir. I am married.
I'm married.
I am married.
And आपके पास बच्चे भी हैं?
Do you have any child?
भाई एक ही का है पूछ रहे हो? Do you have any child? 2, 3, 4 नहीं हो सकता क्या? पूछो कि क्या आपके पास बच्चे हैं?
Do you have children?
Do you have the children?
Do you have the children?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
have.
sir.
Yes, sir. I have 2 children.
Well, what a confidence. He has 2 children. Oh, that's fine.
That's fine.
Great. And आपकी wife job करती है कि housewife है?
Your wife does job or
Your wife is working somewhere.
your wife is working somewhere or housewife?
क्या वह housewife है?
Is she a wife?
He
housewife?
cannot be the wife.
Yes, sir.
What do you
Is
mean?
she housewife?
Is she a housewife?
Housewife?
Yes, sir. My wife.
Sir,
My wife is a housewife. Sorry, sir. My wife is housewife.
housewife.
Okay.
और वाइफ इज हाउसवाइफ। सर उसे टाइम नहीं मिलता है काम करने का, बच्चों को देखने में सारा समय चला जाता है।
Sir, she don't take a.
She does not get the time
She does not get the time
to work.
to work.
उसका सारा समय बच्चों के देख देख में चला जाता है। Her full time
Her full time goes
carrying the children।
carrying the children.
2 बच्चे हैं, बहुत शैतान है दोनों बच्चे।
2 children is.
I have 2 children
I have 2 children
and both are
very
naughty। बच्चे नहीं शैतान होंगे तो पापा थोड़े शैतान।
If the children
If the children are not
are
naughty,
naughty,
the father of the child will be
the
naughty.
father of the child will be naughty.
Yeah, the father of the children will be naughty, naughty, naughty. It's called naughty.
You're right.
Yes, sir. It's okay. देखो सैम, आपका प्रोफाइल मुझे अच्छा लगा और मुझे रिक्रूट करने में आपको मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
See, Sam,
हाँ।
your profile, you,
I like your
I
profile
like your profile
and
and
मुझे आपको रिक्रूट करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
I don't have any problem to recruit you.
Very good. I don't have any problem to recruit you.
Thank you, sir.
But
But
आप कब ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं?
when can you join?
सर आप कहें सर,
Sir,
You tell me.
You tell me.
लेकिन आप कहीं काम कर रहे हैं ना?
Are you working as somewhere?
You are already
You are-
working. So
you
are you not? It's not a question.
You are working as somewhere.
आप ऑलरेडी कहीं काम कर रहे हैं। You are already working somewhere.
You are working or you are already working somewhere.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको टाइम चाहिए ना छोड़ने के लिए। You need time.
You need time to
Leave.
leave.
सर 10 दिन,
Sir, the 10 days.
10 days. मैं 10 दिन में ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ।
I can join after 10 days.
चलेगा। I can join after 10 days or I can join in 10 days. That's fine, no problem.
That's fine, no
तो
problem.
congratulations,
Congratulations.
आपका जॉब कंफर्म है। अब आप 10 दिन में ज्वाइन। Repeat. Congratulations. Shake the hand. Congratulations.
Your job
You are
is confirmed.
selected.
You are selected.
Your job is
Your job is
Confirmed.
confirmed.
आज है 7 सितंबर
Today is 7 September.
एंड आप ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा 15 को।
You will join.
Can you join
Can you join on 15
सितंबर?
September?
सर 15 को छोड़ दीजिए, मैं 20 को ज्वाइन कर लूँ।
Sir, leave 15.
15 मैं 20 को ज्वाइन कर लूँ।
I will join.
Speak loudly.
I will join on 15, 20.
I'll join on
20.
20 September. I'll join on 20 September. It's okay, no
It's
problem.
okay, no problem.
अब आप जा सकते हैं,
Now you can go.
लेकिन
But
जब आप ज्वाइनिंग करने के लिए आइएगा,
when you will come to join,
आप अपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स ओरिजिनल लेकर
you
आइए।
will come with all documents. Okay.
You will come with your all original documents.
You will come with your original
Documents.
documents.
Is it okay?
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
सर मेरे दिमाग में क्वेश्चन है।
Sir, I have one question.
I have a
In my mind.
question in my mind.
In my mind.
अगर आप ऐतराज न करें तो मैं पूछूं, कुछ भी बोलिए।
If you don't,
Wait, मेरे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन है।
I have one question in my mind.
Repeat.
I have
A
one
तो
question.
1 नहीं और 1 तो A नहीं।
I have one question in my mind.
अगर आप ऐतराज न करें,
If you don't agree,
if you don't mind,
if you don't mind,
मैं आपसे पूछूं।
I will ask you.
I ask you.
I ask
It's not गा, मैं आपसे पूछ लूँ, गा ना। I ask you. पूछो।
Yes, you can ask.
सर मुझे सैलरी कितना देंगे?
How much
Salary.
How much salary will you give
Will
me?
you give me?
Will you give me?
वहाँ कितना मिल रहा है?
How much money?
Where you get it?
How much money were you getting?
What you?
How much money were you getting there?
So probably paid.
How much money were you getting there?
20,000.
अरे भाई गाँव में 10,000 देंगे। सर वहाँ तो 10,000, 15,000।
Sir, there is
सर मुझे वहाँ 15,000, मैं 15,000 मुझे मिल रहा था।
there,
I was getting सब हर हाल में सिंगल सब्जेक्ट पे लेकर आइए पहले।
I was getting there
15,000. Repeat.
I was getting there 15,000.
15,000. मैं यहाँ आपको 20,000 रुपया दूंगा, खुश है आप?
I will give you here 20,000. Are you happy?
सर अगर आप 25 देते तो ज़्यादा अच्छा।
Sir, if you give me 25,000, then
It will be better.
It will be better.
आप जानते हैं सर मैं शादीशुदा हूँ, मेरे बच्चे हैं, खर्च मेरा ज़्यादा है।
So you know I have a married.
I am married.
I am married.
I have a wife
I have a wife
and 2 children.
and 2 children.
So मेरा खर्च थोड़ा ज़्यादा है।
That's why my
Expense is
my expense is very
bit high.
very
Very
high.
bit high.
Bit high.
आप 20, मैं अभी 20,000 दूंगा, आप स्टार्ट करें, अगर परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा रहता तो मैं बढ़ा दूंगा।
Now I will give you 20,000.
आप इससे स्टार्ट करें।
But you start
With this.
With this. Then
अगर आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा होगा,
if your performance will be good, then
if your performance,
if your performance will be good,
Okay.
then I will think about
हम
it.
if में मिलने लगा, if your performance is good,
If your performance
is good, मैं आपकी सैलरी बढ़ा दूंगा।
then I will improve your.
I'll increase.
I will increase your salary.
salary. Repeat.
I will increase your salary.
So if your salary, if your performance will be, if your performance is good,
If your performance is good, then I will.
then not. I'll increase
I
the salary.
will increase your salary.
I will.
I will increase your salary.
हाँ, I'll increase your salary. That's fine, sir. No problem.
That's fine, sir.
मैं 20 सितंबर को आ जाऊंगा सर।
I will come on
20
September.
It's okay.
It's okay.
आप 7 से पहले आ जाइए, 7 से 1 हमारे यहाँ क्लास का टाइम है।
We will come before 7 a.m.
And here the class timing is
Here the class timing is
7 to 1.
7 to 1.
It's
Okay,
okay,
sir.
no problem.
No problem.
मैं आ जाऊंगा।
I will come.
I will say हाथ मिलाओ कि nice to meet you sir and thank you very much.
Nice to meet you, sir, and thank you very much.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Audience, they are watching you. Do you have any message for them? Like they should subscribe and watch this.
Yes, sir.
Say some message to the audience. Hi dear audience. Say,
Hi, dear audience.
अगर आप अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहते हैं,
If you want learning English,
if you want to learn English,
if you want to learn English, then of
watch
course,
my videos.
Watch my videos.
You can learn.
You can learn.
Akib, any message to them?
Hello everyone. This is the platform of learning English. Its name is Oxbridge. It is in Darbhanga. If you want to learn English, you can join. Because this is.
Or if you cannot come, then watch video on the YouTube.
If you cannot come, then you watch video and learn.
Then there.
Learn there.
Great. Can you clap for them? Clap for yourself. Clap. Nice. Clap. Now sit. Sit down.